Okay, so the next use case scenario is still on a text field. We are going to play again with a text field. So now we have previous anniversary card message. So what is this? So every year we send out several cards, like real cards, okay, not an email card, real cards through the postal service, through the mail. So not an email, but an actual cardboard card, a really custom made, and with stamps and all the nice stuff. So we send out like anniversary card, birthday card, and also a thank you card to thousands upon thousands of our constituents. So this rule will help us to navigate through sending these cards. So the parent object is the contact object, which we want to send the cards to, right? And then the child object is the sent card, like the sent KCM card is the child object, and the field to aggregate is the message field, the message which is written on the card, right? And then we order by the created date descending, and which is we want to get the latest one we send. So for example, this year we sent like 20 cards to John Doe for the past 5 years. We just want to know the last one that we sent, which is an anniversary card, what was the message? And we want to see it on the contact record, on John Doe's contact record. So we don't want to, go through the related list and waste time. Where's the latest card? Where's the anniversary card? Oh, which one is the latest one? Oh, this one. It's just a waste of time when you have so many staff and thousands upon thousands of contacts and so many cards being sent, right? We want to save time, not waste time. So, therefore, this is created. So now we know John Doe received the last anniversary card is May 2, maybe 2020, and this was the message. Happy anniversary, John Doe, blah, 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 blah. So the next time we want to send John Doe an anniversary message, the representative or our staff will see, oh, this is the last one John Doe gets. So we don't want to send the same wording for the next one, right? Otherwise, John Doe will keep getting, oh, this is pretty lame. It's the same kind of wording. Every time I get the card from this organization, it's the same message. That's just lame. They don't even care about us. No, we do care, and we want to make sure we want to send out unique message every single time we write a heartfelt card to our contacts. All right, so we know the last message is this, and so we don't want to repeat. Even if it's similar, we don't even want it to be similar. Okay, so we sort by created date descending. So newest on top, oldest at the bottom, and we just want to get the newest on top, so we just limit the row to one row there, right? And then I want to put the message, the last message to this custom field on the contact object, previous anniversary card message. So you put it there, right? And then this is the criteria. So KCM card equals this. This is just a hard-coded ID. This is basically representing the ID of a anniversary card. Okay, so I just hard-coded like that. So, and then it's real time. And then, like usual, you don't activate it first. Save it. And then after you save that, you have to deploy the trigger. Once the trigger is deployed, you go back here, you activate it again and save it. Then you can full calculate and then schedule. If you want to schedule to run this calculation every day, every week, or every month. So the same thing with the other two. This is the previous birthday card message that we sent to a particular contact that we've sent the card to. we don't want to keep sending the same wording. If last year we say, "Happy birthday, Jimbo, how was the cake? Was it good?" Now this year, we don't want to use the same thing, right? That would be really lame. We want to say, "Hey, did you enjoy your steak?" or whatever else. Did you go to a party? How was your party, right? So even different kind of wording every single time. We want to be creative. So same thing, concatenate is the function because we are doing text. And then we basically just get the latest one, the same thing, row limit 1. Same thing with the last one is the thank you message, thank you card. Thank you for your generosity. And then we have our own unique wording, which a human actually writes them. So we want to make sure the staff is writing different kind of wording every single time we send a message. We don't want it to be similar, because if the same human is generating words every time, they can get the same kind of wording from their head every single time, right? So we want to make sure it's unique. We don't want to be similar. So that's basically it. How you can get ideas when you are sending even emails or e-cards or thank you cards or real postal mail. Anything you send to your contacts or customers or partners or constituents on your organizations, make sure you send a heartfelt one and not repetitive, same thing over and over again every year. All right, bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.